see, that one's a little bit longer. The nose has to be longer because that's got the diesel engine in it. It had to be 3.5 inches bigger.
I got this post in the way, sorry.
Ford signs were very hard to get in there.
Oh, really? Oh, I bet. And you got your treasure chest in
Yes.
there.
I got that for $30 at Trade Bakers, and it's just a flip-up one. It just flips up.
I
But
don't see any gold coins in there.
yeah.
Or any evil leprechauns. Dummy. This one's still my favorite, though.
Oh, yeah? Everybody I've said thought this was neater. This one here.
I think I saw you kind of do this from the beginning, and
Yeah, this one only took a winter to build.
yeah, oh yeah,
And that's counting this, but I bought that and refinished it and made it look nice. Now this is what they call Model A, and this thing had these latches. So this actually does. See, it's dusty. I live on a dusty road, and I've been out here, and it's dusty. But them are the way they used to use those latches.
Can't forget this guy.
Yeah, that's the first one I ever did.
Yeah.
That was the last one so far.
So far until winter, you'll find something else to make.
I'm gonna make a record this next winter, I think.